How often do you clean your settee? If you have children and pets at home, it is recommended that your settee be professionally cleaned every 6 to 12 months. Your settee picks up a lot of dust and sweet stains from the house, also greasy oils from products and your hair oils. Don't hesitate to call us 01214618054. Your couch and other upholstery furniture get dirty from a number of resources, such as dirt, sweat, food stains and dust. If you have eczema or allergies, you may benefit from a professional clean. Less skin irritation. Don't hesitate to call us 01214618054.
So the customers just joined us and we're just going to ask her views quickly.
Yeah, I can't believe it's that colour again. It's just it looks like it's new again.
Thank you very much.